Let's zoom in on this one. When fully expanded, what is the units digit of 2 to the 23 to the 19? And they've actually helpfully put the parentheses around there, but remember you evaluate from top down anyway. So what is the units digit of 2 to the 23 to the 19? I think this math contest was on February 23rd, 2019. That's probably where those numbers come from. Zooming out. All right, so we got 2 to the 23 to the 19. And we're looking for the units digit of this.
So, well, that could mean, since we have to evaluate the top, but we're only looking for the units digit, we could evaluate 3 to the 19 and see what the units digit of that is.
Well, we don't know that the units digit of the power will give us the same thing as the actual thing. But what we do know is that the 2 has a pattern of units digits that revolve around mod 4. That might be helpful.
2 is 2, 4, 8, 2. So it goes 2, 4, 8, 6, and then repeats.
For the units digit?
Mm-hmm.
Of 2 here.
Right.
Powers of 2.
So this is 1, 2, 3, and 4 mod 4.
Okay. All right, cool. So now what do we have to figure out now that we know that we repeat 1, 2, 3, 4 mod 4?
Now we have to figure out 23 to the 19 mod 4.
Okay. How are we going to do that?
So we can't really use. Maybe we could use the trick with the units digit. If we start out with the units digit and then we multiply that by 23 every time, but then we just get the units digit. So that would be very helpful.
Yeah, this is tricky. We're trying to figure out the units digit of 23 to the 19 now. So this is our... No, sorry, we're not trying to figure out the units digit of 23 to the 19.
And figure out what it is mod 4.
Trying to figure out what 23 to the 19 is mod 4. So you've reduced our original problem to a new problem. So how do we figure out what 23 to the 19 is mod 4?
Well, 3 also has a last digit pattern well, it's mod 2, but actually I think it's mod 4. But I don't know if that's going to quite help us. We know 23 is 3 mod 4.
Okay. So we know 23 is 3 mod 4, so we can actually just focus on 3 to the 19.
Mm-hmm.
3.
And we might be worth writing a 3's last digit pattern.
Okay.
So 3 goes to 7, then 1, and then 3. So 1, 2, 3.
So this one
4, mod 4.
it's also mod 4. So
So we have 3 to the 19 is
19 is
3 mod 4.
Yep.
So we have 7 would be, I guess, the last digit of that.
Okay. So we're...
Following that.
Right.
And then we have to put this in here. 7 is 3 mod 4. So maybe we look at this and we get 8.
Okay. Yeah, and another way you could have looked at this is you could have said 23 is minus 1 mod 4.
Yep.
Minus 1 to the 19th is
that's minus 1.
minus 1, so we're looking for 2. The last digit of 2 to the 23 to the 19th is going to be the same as in the minus 1, whatever the digit is, minus 1 mod 4.
Yep.
Going backwards there.
All right.
You get 8? Okay, good work.